Okay, so we're back. So now we want to test things before we start assembling again, just to make sure that everything is happy and healthy in here. And then, because better to test now and find that we have a problem than to get, everything put back together and have to take everything back apart again. So to test, we're going to need the base of the hilt. And essentially, we're just going to kind of connect things with the two of them sitting next to each other. And you'll see what that process looks like here. So we want to start with the ribbon cable. So as I mentioned before, right, the dark half, the black half of the ribbon cable is the bottom half, and then the connectors themselves are actually on the top half. And the way that these connectors are designed is they are designed to be connecting to the top half. Let me keep this over here because I think it focuses better in this area, right? So that's designed to connect right in this orientation, not this orientation, right? So we want to, again, do that. So we're going to get our tweezers back out. We're going to make sure that that little channel there is open. Here, let me zoom in for you. Okay, I will do my best to keep this on camera and focused for you because this is a little bit complex here, right? So we are going to insert the cable. Remember, there should be no force needed to actually insert the cable, okay? It should just go in, okay? So we'll line it up, and there we go. So you see the metallic connectors, the gold connectors that are sticking out? That's about how far should actually be sticking out. There, right? So we want to hold it, and we want to lock it in. Boom, locked in. Okay. And then we want to connect power. Simple way to remember which one is the way the power goes is you see here the actual connectors are near the board. So you want to make sure the connectors on the plug are near the board. It won't let you put it in wrong. So, okay, just kind of line it up, push it in there as best you can. Hold the wire. Again, get your pliers out again, or your tweezers out again. Why do I keep calling them pliers? Tweezers out, slide that guy in. Okay, so essentially now we're connected as if it was a regular full-on hilt, right? We'll need power, so we'll take our little power supply. We're gonna slide that guy in. There we go. Now without the actual hilt in it, it doesn't seem to line up the battery perfectly all the time, so I might have to do a little bit of moving around in order to get the battery to work. So again, the switch here controls everything, but the RFID reader and all that stuff is down here, so it's going to want a kyber crystal. This is a kyber crystal here. And the kyber crystal is a blue one, but it's programmed to be white. Right? So here we go. And there we go. See the light came on, it's white. Okay, the lights inside the top of the hilt here are also white. So we're working, right? We're good. Great. So we'll be right back.